If you've got a category that all it is just trending news, and you just want to list the trending news, that all it is just a link to a site, that's where you would use it. Use first image as featured. Yes, I want to make my featured image inside of WordPress the first image. Upload all images. It's going to push it into WordPress. Post content. Yeah, that's what we're here for, is we're going to post the content. And now it's asking this question, is some WordPress sites, it's going to take your featured image and make it the first image. Some WordPress sites, the typical site is, it's just going to put the first image there. So if you find after testing a couple of times, it's going to put the featured image right above the first image, then you would just exclude that first image from being duplicated. Okay, I'm going to just leave that off. Create tags with AI. I want 4 tags, all AI generated. Okay, now I can add other ones in here, and I'm just going to put in here digital nomad.
These would be WordPress tags, so you wouldn't need the hash.
Oh, I don't need the hash. And you can put other things in here.
And if you don't see that, that's because it's part of the API key.
Oh, because I'm using. You can add additional tags in there. Spinning. We used to have spin rewriter. You could, if you still got it, you can put it in there. Spinning, Word AI. I skip all those. At this point, you could have already done it in the mash itself if you're using Word AI, and that's going to be your best spin if you're going to actually spin it. But spinning it from here is designed to go where you're spinning the entire mash, which would spin your citations, it would spin your helpful content, your listicles. We had this for a very specific purpose, that people wanted a single article from a single feed, and they wanted to spin it at the very end before they put it somewhere else. So don't use these. Omega Indexer. Yes, I'm going to send it to Omega Indexer. You have to integrate it, your Omega Indexer API, in your integrations before you'll see this. If you don't see it, you don't have the API set up. Silo this category. We do this intentionally is if you have multiple articles going to this digital nomad, it's going to put in a link to the article it just posted previous. So it's kind of building a silo for you automatically. Link Whisper can do this, and there's other tools, but this is a good start to building a SEO silo. So just go ahead and check that.